Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are very well at your home. In previous lecture, we have completed first exercise of chapter 12, area related to circle. Okay. The name of the chapter is area related to circle. And all of you know what is circle? Circle is a plane figure. Okay. Now, today we are going to talk about area of sector and segment. Okay. So first of all, we will try to understand the meaning of sector and segment. Okay. So listen carefully. What do you mean by sector? So first, as I taught you about arc is the part of circle. Okay, what is an arc? Arc is the part of circle. Okay, for example, suppose here A, B, P and Q. Okay, if teacher will ask to you what is minor arc, then you can represent minor arc of related figure is APB. Okay, and what is APB? APB is nothing but the part of the circle. इस पूरे सर्कल का ये छोटा सा हिस्सा है. Okay, and what about major arc? Major arc AQB. आई होप कि अभी आप लोगों को आर्क के बारे में क्लियर हो चुका होगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द सेक्टर. ओके, सेक्टर. व्हाट इज सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल? सेक्टर ऑफ सर्कल. लिसन केयरफुली. The amount of circle, the amount of circle which is enclosed or occupy by the two radii and corresponding arc. ओके, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर डायग्राम में कि ये दो रेडियस हैं जिनको प्लूरल फॉर्म में रेडियाई पढ़ेंगे. ये दो रेडियस और ये आर्क इस सर्कल का एक टुकड़ा कवर कर रहे हैं. इसी टुकड़े को हम क्या बोलेंगे? सेक्टर बोलेंगे. और यहाँ पर एंगल थीटा फॉर्म होगा. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके, आई होप कि आपको ये बात समझ में आ रही होगी कि व्हाट इज सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल? द अमाउंट ऑफ द सर्कल विच इज़ इनक्लोज्ड और ऑक्यूपाइड बाय द टू रेडियाई एंड द corresponding आर्क. ओके, नाउ we are going to measure the length of the arc and area of the sector. Okay, how can we find the length of the arc? Listen carefully. I am going to erase it. You may pause the video and then write down in your notebook. Okay, now the next point is the length of the arc. How can we find the length of the arc? Length of arc or an arc. Listen carefully. As all of you know, any circle can be divided into 360, maximum 360, maybe more, but in general 360 part, and each part is called degree. Okay. So for example, suppose here we have one chocolate and I am going to make it into pieces, and you can say you can see here there are 6 pieces of this chocolate, and suppose one person came and one piece of this chocolate has eaten by them, then how can we recognize this condition, this situation in mathematical term? Then we can say 1/6 part of chocolate, 1/6 part eaten by that person. Okay. So what is 1/6? 1/6 is nothing but fraction. Numerator considered as part and denominator considered as whole part. Okay, whole part. So similarly, by the same way, first of all we will find the circumference of this circle. So what is the circumference? So definitely circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. Okay, and then we will multiply by the fraction. Okay, and as I told you, fraction is what? Fraction is nothing but part by whole. Okay, so what is part? Part is actually the angle. Okay, theta, and the whole part is 360 degree. Okay, so whenever you are going to find the length of the arc, then you can use this formula 2 pi r into theta by 360 degree. Okay, I hope आप लोगों को बात समझ में आ गई होगी. नाउ एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Suppose we have a circle of the radius 7 centimeter. Okay, and the angle is 90 degree. So find the length of the arc APB. We are going to find the length of the arc APB. So let's see how can we find. To find APB, so as we know, APB is what? Definitely it is an arc. So we can write here the length of APB is equal to the circumference 2 pi r into the fraction of this circle is theta by 360. Okay, then evaluate it. The value of pi is 22 by 7. R has given 7 centimeter and theta is 90 degree. Then evaluate it. 7 to 7 cancel, 90 to 316 4 times, and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 11 ja. Okay, so 11 centimeter. So the length of the arc will be 11 centimeter. आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि किस तरीके से हमें आर्क की लंबाई पता करनी है. अब आते हैं, इसमें कभी कभी मेजर आर्क के बारे में पूछेगा तो आपने 360 थीटा बाई 360 की जगह आपने क्या कर लेना है? 360 माइनस थीटा बाई 360. ओके, यानी रिफ्लेक्स एंगल रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा आपको. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. Area of sector. Okay, by the same way, first of all we will find the area of whole circle. And what is the area of whole circle? So definitely pi r square, and then we will multiply by the fraction. And what is the fraction? So definitely theta by 360. Okay, so this formula we will use to find the area of sector. Okay, then all of you will use to find the area of sector as pi r square theta by 360 degree. Okay, I hope कि सेक्टर का कॉन्सेप्ट आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया होगा. एक एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. find the area of sector of a circle whose radius is 14 centimeter and the angle between the radii is 60 degree. Okay, so now we are going to find the area of this sector, and I hope all of you have understood this question clearly. So first of all, we will draw the diagram. This is our circle, say 14 centimeter to radius, and we need to find, and the angle between these two radii is 60 degree. We are going to find the area of this sector. Okay, say A, P, B. Okay, so in solution we may write area of OAPB. OAPB is what? Definitely sector. So first of all, we will find the area of whole circle. It means pi r square, and then multiply by the fraction theta by 360. Okay, so what is r? R has given 14 centimeter, so 14 into 14 into theta is 60 degree by 360. Okay, evaluate it. 7 2 ja and 6 6 ja 36, 2 3 ja. Okay, now calculate it. 14 2 ja 28 and 28 308 by 3, so 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 6 ja 18, तो 102.67 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर अप्रॉक्सीमेट. ओके, तो इस तरीके से आपने इवैल्यूएट करना है. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं सेगमेंट की तरफ. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द सेगमेंट. Now what is segment? Our very first question is, what is segment of the circle? Listen carefully. All of you know about the chord. Okay, A, B, P, say O. Now this portion is called the segment of the circle. How can we define it? Listen carefully. The amount of circle, which is occupied by the chord and related arc. What is segment of the circle? The amount of the circle which is occupied by the chord and the related arc. You can see here APB. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं AB is a chord and APB is related arc. So this portion is known as segment of the circle. Okay, I hope कि आप लोगों को segment भी बात समझ में आ गई होगी कि segment किसे कहते हैं. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि how can we find the area of segment? Listen carefully. This is very interesting topic, and this one is last topic of this chapter. Area of segment. Suppose this is the circle एंड ये 90 डिग्री होगा मान लेते हैं। तो हमको एरिया फाइंड करना इस सेगमेंट का, थोड़ा सा आप ऑब्जर्व करें। If we are going to find the area of this segment, so we need to find the area of sector before to find the area of segment. Okay. अगर हम इस सेगमेंट का एरिया पता करने जा रहे हैं तो पहले हमें इस पूरे सेक्टर का एरिया पता करना होगा। बात समझ में आ रही है आप लोगों को? और देन उस सेक्टर के एरिया में से उस ट्रायंगल के एरिया को हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, देन हमें सेगमेंट का एरिया पता चल जाएगा। आइए पता करते हैं। So we are going to find area of segment APB. APB. As I told you, whenever we are going to find the area of segment, so first of all we need to find the area of sector. So what is the area of sector? That is OAPB. Then we will subtract the area of triangle OAB. Okay. Now what is the area of sector? All of you know very well, pi r squared theta by 360 degree minus, now listen carefully, ट्राइंगल के लिए आप डिफरेंट सिचुएशन पे डिफरेंट फार्मूले इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ट्राइंगल आपका इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल होता है देन यू कैन यूज √3/4 साइड स्क्वायर। ओके, अगर आपका ट्राइंगल राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल होता है देन यू कैन यूज जनरली हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। ओके, अगर इन दोनों सिचुएशन में से कोई सिचुएशन आपको नहीं मिलती है तब आप क्या करेंगे, तब आप पता करेंगे हाफ इंटू रेडियस का स्क्वायर इंटू साइन थीटा। ओके, तो ये फॉर्मूला आप मेमोराइज कर लें और वीडियो को पॉज करके आप लिख सकते हैं। इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? Now in both the term, from both the term you can take common r square, okay, and it will make some changes. So anyway, तो आपने इसको याद रखना है। तो यहाँ मैंने सारी चीज़ें आप लोगों से शेयर कर दी कि किस तरीके से हम लोगों को एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट एंड द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क। अब आइए एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करते हैं। So I request to all of you, please open your NCERT textbook. I am going to open this textbook in my mobile. As you can see here in my mobile, I have opened this chapter. Now exercise 12.2. Question number 1. Question number 1 asks, find the area of sector of the circle with radius 6 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is, if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Let's see how can we solve it. This is very easy question. So first of all we will draw a rough diagram. Now you can see the diagram on your screen. The radius is 6 centimeter. The angle between the radii is 60 degree. It means the angle of the sector is 60 degree, and we are going to find the area. So how can we write? We can write like this: area of OAPB, because we have shown in the diagram. So therefore we are just writing here area of OAPB is equal to area of whole circle, it means pi r square into थीटा बाई 360 यानी फ्रैक्शन. ओके, टोटल एरिया निकालकर फ्रैक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. देन द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज 22/7 एंड आर इज 6 into 6, थीटा इज 60. ओके, बाई 360. नाउ इवेल्युएट इट. 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 6 6 जा 36, 1 6 1 6 कैंसिल. नाउ 6 2 जा 132/7. ओके, नाउ यू कैन इवेल्युएट इट सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, या आप चाहें तो इसको डेसिमल में फाइंड आउट कर लें. 132/7 तो 7 1 जा 7, 6 आ गया, 6 2 62 एंड 7 8 जा 56. डेसिमल लगाएंगे, बचा आपका 6 अगेन 60, 7 8 जा 56. ओके, इस बार आपका बच रहा है 4 एंड 7 5 जा 35. तो 18.85 या 86 अप्रॉक्सीमेट सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया आएगा. ओके, आई होप कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा होगा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ ए सर्कल हुज सर्कमफ्रेंस इज 22 सेंटीमीटर. आप यकीन जाने बहुत आसान चैप्टर है ये, बस थोड़ा सा आपको फोकस करने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to find the area of quadrant. So first of all we will draw a rough diagram for this question. So what is quadrant? All of you know quadrant is 1/4 part of circle. Okay, or you may say quadrant is 1/4 part of कार्टेशियन प्लेन. तो अपने को मालूम कि क्वाड्रेंट में 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है, इसका मतलब थीटा हमारा 90 डिग्री होगा. साथ में हमें रेडियस नहीं मालूम है. ओके, रेडियस की बजाय हमें हमारे पास क्या दिया हुआ है, सरकमफ्रेंस, एंड सरकमफ्रेंस इज 22 centimeter. So we are going to find the area of that quadrant is mean the area of this sector. So we need to find first of all the length of the radius. Okay, so let's find 2 pi r is equal to c. Okay, it is circumference. So 2 into 22/7 into r is equal to 22. So r is equal to 22 into 7/22 into 1/2. So 22 to 22 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So 7/2 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to find the area of sector. So area of sector, it means area of quadrant is equal to area of circle pi r square into theta by 360. Okay, so 22/7 into what is r, 7/2 into 7/2 and theta is 90/360. Okay, now evaluate it. 7 to 7 cancel, 94 जा and 2 11 जा. ओके, तो आपका वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा 77/8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन क्लियरली. नाउ कम फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question is, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Okay. Question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Okay. In 5 minutes. Now, listen carefully. How can we find the solution of this question? As you can see, we need to find the area of sector. Okay. So first of all, we are going to draw a rough diagram. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. It means it will be the radius. Okay. Suppose this radius is 14 centimeter. Okay. OA is the minute hand of the clock. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Suppose in 5 minutes OA will be here, OA dash. So we need to find theta. Thereafter we can find the area of sector. So first of all we are going to find the theta. So listen, how can we find the theta? So as we know, in one complete rotation the total minute is 60. So therefore theta is equal to 360 into 5 by 60. Okay. Because in one rotation total minute is 60 and the minute hand is rotating about 5 minutes. So we will evaluate it. 0 to 0 cancel. 6 6 ja 36 and 5 6 ja 30. It means 30 degree. So angle will be 30 degree. Okay. Now we can find the area of that sector. So area of sector we can give the name area of OAA dash is equal to, first of all we will find the area of whole circle pi r square, then into fraction, it means theta by 360. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7, and the radius has given 14 centimeter, I think. 14 into angle is 30 by 360. Now evaluate it. 7 2 ja 14, 3 12 ja 36, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 3 ja 6 and 2 11 ja. Okay. Now evaluate it. 11 4 ja 44, carry 4, 11 1 ja 11 and 4, 15 by 3 centimeter square, and you can also change it into decimal. 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9, approximate 51.3 centimeter square. I hope all of you have understood clearly. So thank you for watching. We will do rest of the question in next lecture.